Brooks, and Hillview. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Spencer County in central Kentucky, northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, Bullitt County in central Kentucky, northeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shepherdsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shepherdsville around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Grove, Samuels Field Airport, Bardstown Junction, Hobbs, Scuffletown, Deotsville, Cedar Grove, Bellwood, Belmont, and Butland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Lower. Okay. So, hold on. Let me count how many warnings we got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
For southwestern Bullitt and
Okay.
Hardin counties.
And 6.
At 9:45
Okay.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located 12 miles west of Shepherdsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Okay.
The following impacts are expected.
Alright, so
Dangerous to those caught without shelter.
y'all guys heard, yep, there is a tornado warning.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shepherdsville, Radcliffe, West Point, Howard,
So,
Cupio,
it has been reported a camper flipped.
and Colesburg.
So, emergency management reported thunderstorm wind damage at 30 miles. What? Report of camper flipped.
Well, that one's okay over there.
Yeah. It says the camper flipped.
Oof.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So, as of right now, we got 5 tornado warnings. That's a lot.
5 tornadoes.
Well, actually, now we got 6 now, plus the one in Arkansas. So we got 5 tornado warnings south of Louisville, and then we got continuing the 1 until 9 o'clock in Arkansas. So, oh Lord, this could be a long night. I hope it won't be on too long. But anyway, let's see here. Okay. So let's talk about. Oh Lord, where to start first? There's too many. Let's start in south. Okay, so as of right now, as you guys heard from the weather radio, we got 5 tornado warnings now, both until 9:15, and then 1 until 9 o'clock, which ends at 3 minutes, and for the one in Arkansas. So here's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do one by one storm. So we're gonna start up north. So as of right now, we don't got no reports of a tornado that could be on the ground. Keep in mind, this is radar indicating rotation. Down to the south, same thing. Down to the south again, same thing. And then same thing to the south. So as of right now, we don't got no confirmed tornadoes. We're going to head down to the south towards Arkansas that we've been tracking for like the past hour because there was a confirmed tornado that was on the ground moving east, close to 30 to 40 miles per hour. All right, so I'll go ahead and let David talk about this tornado warning in Arkansas, which is expires in a minute or so.
Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Hollow Creek, Spring Mill, Highview, Fern Creek, Newburgh,
let's go to
around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Tennessee
Time.
map.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic
Okay,
thunderstorm
so
include Louisville International Airport, Hollow, Sixton, Whitfield, Brooks.
However, large hail damaging wind remain likely. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Arkansas and West Tennessee. So the tornado has been expired.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning.
All right.
So there is a tornado in Ohio, and near Columbus and near Wilmington. So near tornado warning on the north, southwest, and the Wilmington is in the east. So here it is at 9:53 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Greenfield. Moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to be caught without shelter. Low homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Let's see. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Austin, Frankfort, Good Hope, Andersonville, and Rock Mills. Take cover now. Move to a basement. Interior on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you're outdoors in the mobile home or your vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/report via social media. You can do so safe. Yeah, that's what it says on that.
Alright.
Well, there is more. So there is like what, three alerts. Dang, there's a lot of tornado warnings.
Yeah, so now we got.
There.
So basically we got 5. So it is right now. It's straight up 9 o'clock. We're going ahead and get ready to start our news at 9 p.m. Starting right now.
Three alerts tornado on Ohio.